Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Paksiw is a beloved Filipino dish, celebrated for its distinct savory and sour flavor profile. It's surprisingly simple to make, requiring just a few key ingredients you likely already have on hand. This classic stew, often prepared with fish, truly embodies the warmth and comfort of a Filipino home-cooked meal. Get ready to enjoy a taste of tradition that is both easy and incredibly delicious, perfect for any day. To make delicious paksiw, gather just a few essential ingredients. Fresh fish, like the popular bangus or milkfish, forms the heart of this dish, providing a delightful texture. White vinegar is crucial for that signature sourness, perfectly balanced by fragrant garlic and zesty ginger. A pinch of black peppercorns adds a subtle warmth, completing this simple yet powerful flavor combination. Let's begin by preparing your fish, ensuring it's thoroughly cleaned and ready. Next, arrange slices of fragrant garlic and fresh ginger, placing some inside the fish cavity and around it in your pot. This infuses every bite with delicious flavor. Finally, pour in your white vinegar, a little water, and your seasonings, making sure the fish is comfortably submerged. You're almost ready to cook. Start by bringing your paksiw mixture to a rapid boil, letting it cook for a few minutes without stirring. This crucial step allows the vinegar to cook off its raw edge. After a rapid boil, reduce the heat to a gentle simmer, cover your pot, and let it cook for about 15 minutes. The fish will become beautifully tender and flaky, signaling it is perfectly done and ready to enjoy. Serve your delicious, warm paksiw immediately alongside a generous helping of steaming white rice. It's the perfect accompaniment to soak up all those incredible flavors. Feel free to adjust the sourness to your liking. A touch more vinegar or even a pinch of sugar can balance it beautifully. You can also experiment with other fish varieties or even make paksiw with pork for a different, equally satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.